Hello, welcome to Universal of Technology TV. Remember to subscribe. In today's video I'm going to tell you what this symbol means and what to do if it flashes on your car's dashboard. A low tier pressure light, which often looks like a horseshoe with an exclamation point, signals that at least one tire is underinflated, posing a safety risk. To address this, you should find a safe place to pull over. Check the tire pressure in all tires using a gauge. The recommended pressure is on your driver's side door jamb, and add air to bring them to the proper level. If the light remains on after adding air, or if you notice a tire is flat, you may have a slow leak and should drive cautiously to a service center. What the light means: safety hazard. An underinflated tire can affect your car's handling, braking, and fuel efficiency, leading to potential accidents or tire failure. TPMS system. The light indicates the tire pressure monitoring system. TPMS has detected low air pressure in one or more tires. Common causes besides lower pressure. The light can also be triggered by significant drops in temperature, which cause air to contract, or by a sensor issue. What to do? Stay calm, don't panic. The light is a warning, not an immediate emergency. Find a safe spot, pull over to a safe location as soon as possible. Check tire pressure. Locate the recommended tire pressure on the sticker on the driver's side door jamb or in your owner's manual. Use a tire pressure gauge to check each tire. Air inflate any tires that are low to the recommended pressure. Address potential issues if the light stays on. The TPMS may need recalibration after you've added air. If you have a flat tire, use your spare and go to a service center. If a tire is low again after a short time, you likely have a slow leak and should get it checked by a professional. What if you ignore this light? 1. Fuel consumption will be higher. 2. Excessive tire wear. 3. Lack of direction stability. 4. Tire valve might be ripped out due to tire puncture. Thank you for watching this video. If you found that this video is useful, make it share with family and friends, and remember to subscribe. Thank you.